How to assemble your wood picture frame from Frame It Easy. Pro tip, protect your work surface with a clean and fiber-free towel or blanket. With your frame facing down, unwind and remove the unfastened end of the hanging wire. Use a screwdriver or your fingertip to bend all the metal tabs upwards. Push your frame contents out from below to remove them. Place your art on the backing. Remove the protective film from one side of your acrylic and then place that side face down over your art. Pro tip, if you're having trouble peeling up the protective film, use a piece of strong tape in the corner. Remove the protective film from the side facing you. Place the contents back into the frame and bend the metal tabs down to secure them. Make sure to press firmly on each tab. Thread the hanging wire back through the D-ring and wind it tightly around itself to keep it securely fastened. Hang your frame and enjoy. It's that easy. Visit frameiteasy.com for more.